Hey guys, Motor Car Nut. Today we're going to be replacing crankshaft sensor, crankshaft position sensor. It looks like this. Well, this one's broken, but it's supposed to look like this all the way around. All right, I'm going to show you what happened. But basically, that's what it is. It's a 2-wire. It has a 30 Torx bolt, and it's in the side. Where it is, it's near the flywheel, right between the transmission and the engine, on the engine side on the bottom. Okay, to get to that, what we're gonna have to do is on the intake over here, there's gonna be a pipe, turbo pipe. You have to disconnect the, I believe it's a 7mm nut on the clamp, screw, I'm sorry, on the clamp. All right, make it nice and loose, and then we're gonna go on the bottom. Okay, so now once you have that clamp up there tight, you're gonna have a sensor plug right here. You just take this plug out. Okay, that's for the boost pipe. Okay, now on this side, you're gonna have a clamp like this. You just take a screwdriver and you pop it out like I have it here. Okay, and you just take that out. And over here, you're going to have Torx 30. And there's going to be another one right over there, Torx 30. You probably get it from up here. All right, that mounts the pipe. Those are already loose. You do this, and you take it out. Okay. And there's your pipe. Now, I already have the sensor out, but it's right here. Here's the plug for it. You see the hole? It goes here. This is the sensor. All right, it went in here like that. You take the plug out. Now, when I took it out, this part broke. Now, yours may break too if it's old. It's gonna come out like this. This is not the sensor, the total part. That means that this collar over here, well, it goes this way. It has more to it. It's like it's all round. You know, it's a collar all the way around. This is all broken, and it's going to have an O-ring here. All right, that may be stuck in the hole, and it may look nice and flush, and it may look like that's how it's supposed to be. It's not. It has to be like that. Everything has to be out of there. Okay. So how I took it out, it broke. It just broke very easy. You got to be careful no parts fall inside. What I did is I took a big drill bit, and what I did is I wedged it in there, and little by little with my hand I turned it, and then turned it, and it actually broke and came out. No pieces. There's pieces all over the place. Here, there's another piece here. All right, but no pieces went inside the engine. You got to be really careful. Okay, so once you get it all out, you just reverse the procedure. I don't have the new one yet. That's why I can't put it in. But you just put it in. You put your 30mm bolt. Make sure this is nice and clean. And you don't see any kind of heat or melting anywhere. You put that back on. You put the pipe back on, and you're done. You know, reasons to do this, if you have the code P0016, correlation between cam and crankshaft, or you're doing your diagnostics and you came to the conclusion that the crank sensor is bad, the car doesn't start, or has a little bit of a misfire. It's all possible. These rarely ever go, but nothing is 100%. This car, it was making me misfire and popping that code constantly. So I'm going to replace it, and I think that's going to take care of that. All right, because everything else is fine as far as my diagnostic procedure went. So that's how you replace that. All right, that's the crankshaft position sensor, not the camshaft. All right, guys, Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, just leave them below. I answer all my questions. Please super thanks me. I would really appreciate it if I helped you out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.